So my first instinct was, what am I going to do in this film? And yeah, Radharama is very similar to who I am as a person, so it wasn't very difficult. And I would dream that I would come back, and I would come back with a big bang. So I would walk in like as if Radharama is the queen of the world. Like cameras weren't switched on, but I would walk in and strut around like as if I owned that place. Hello everybody, this is Shreya Reddy here, and you're watching me on Femina.in. My first impression was, what am I going to do in this film? You know, as sometimes you get intimidated, you feel like, we've seen this time and again where you have these big heroes dominating the entire movie, and then you see women, somewhere tiny part, they come and they go. And that idea itself got me a little scared. So I asked Prashant, I said, what am I going to do in this film? He said, what do you mean, what are you going to do in this film? He said, I promise you, you're going to have the most brilliant role, and just trust me on this. So my first instinct was, what am I going to do in this film? To be honest, I think it hasn't really sunk in as yet. I wasn't expecting this at all. Success means nothing to me. I think when people appreciate you for your hard work, because I did put in so much of hard work. I had to wait for 16 years to get where I am today. And that turmoil kind of is what is still playing in my mind. So success or what people are saying really, it's going to take some time to sink in. Yeah, so when Prashant told me that, we have all these actors, and I only told him one thing, that when I come, I want to own my own. And he said, yes, you will have that opportunity to do so. So coming on set and having all of them around, it really didn't matter to me, because I was very focused and very goal-driven in what I had cut out for myself. So I had a role, I had work cut out for myself, I had my lines that I needed to learn. So I would walk in like as if Radharama is the queen of the world. Like cameras weren't switched on, but I would walk in and strut around like as if I owned that place. And it kind of helped me be in my character. And yeah, Radharama is very similar to who I am as a person, so it wasn't very difficult. See, nobody understands, and I don't expect anybody to understand, but the turmoil that I went through for 16 years, at that point, I probably gave up many times. I would give up, say, on a Monday, I would give up. By Friday, I would say, you know what, I'm not somebody who gives up. And then I pick my courage up again and continue like this. And I did this whole strategy for 16 years. It was very tough. And not knowing what the end result is going to be, if there's going to be an end result at all. But there was something called hope. And I didn't have faith in myself, to be honest, but I had hope. And I manifested the living daylights out of myself. And I used to be, like I said, I'm an athlete, so I run every day. I used to run my 5-7 kilometers every morning, and those mornings were the mornings I built my dreams on. Every morning I would dream, and I would dream that I would come back, and I would come back with a big bang. And well, here are the manifestations at play. Is to don't wait or expect somebody to come and save you, or somebody to come and tell you, it is okay, you are going to win. These things are not going to happen. You'll be lucky if it happens to you, but don't wait for that to happen. Because I truly believe in, you are the greatest. You have an innate quality, in all of us have that quality where we can just tell ourselves, we are okay and we can do it. It's as simple as that.